What's up guys, today is Thursday and it's in the afternoon right now, so it's lunchtime, so I took a half day off. If you guys know the property that I had in JB, right, I have been trying to refinance or restructure the loan for I think like 6 months already, and there's still failed attempts or are not doing very well. So today I will go to the bank again to just to see what I can do. So I went to the bank. Apparently Citibank in Subang Jaya has already been relocated, the one in Taipan. So that sucked. So I wasted like 1 hour just to find parking, and when I got on my parking, it's not there. Anyway, I'm now early for the talk, so looking for a place to finish up some editing work, and just realized a lot of factory industrial lots in Bandar Sunway now is actually converted into restaurants, especially this junction. Let me show you, like Riders Cafe behind, and there's like Zeus 13 here, and there's also Shots. So I'm now contemplating which one to go. Yep, so it's rendering already. This is how I maximize my time. So during traveling, right, I'll make sure before I travel, I'll put my videos in render mode so I can travel while the video is getting ready. So when I get to the next stop, I can proceed with uploading it or actually doing things with it. So that's some trick how I can produce that much video in short amount of time, because rendering actually takes a lot of time. Yeah, at the location already, and I'm getting dressed for the occasion, but some things I don't really understand. Like Malaysia is already hot enough, right? Why do we still wear jacket? It's very weird, right? It's super hot, and we're dressing like we are in the Western country. So I don't usually do this, but
Cik, sorry cik. Cik minta tolong boleh cik?
tak mau.
Okay.
So you see, these are the people who I got conned so many freaking times. They will tell you so many reasons, like, oh, I got robbed, I'm on the way to do whatever, then they ask money from you, then they will pity, and I fall into this kind of trap so many freaking times. Okay, anyway, enough of bragging. I'm late. See you guys. So if I put in more details, right, affinity score means that the likability of that crowd. So if I put people who likes Puchong, okay, so when I advertise, right, okay, then I go back to my... So we just finished the training and I think it went well, I think. So now I'm gonna go swimming. Because I can't go to training, so I think I'm just gonna go swimming. And I think that's the end of the vlog for today. So opportunities are out there for those who are in the training. Hi, and see you guys soon. Ciao.